you know, by smelling any substance, you can detect whether it is an acid or base? Yes. These are called as olfactory indicators. The name seems to be new, but the examples aren't. The examples for olfactory indicators are clove oil, vanilla essence. You are very familiar with vanilla because of the ice cream. Yes. And even onion can be used as olfactory indicators. You know that these substances are characterized by their odor, isn't it? So how do you prepare an olfactory indicator and use it? It's very simple. Dip a piece of cloth inside any of these things and leave it overnight. Next day, you place it in acid as well as in basic solution. In acidic solution, these substances won't lose their odor, whereas in basic medium, they are going to lose their odor. So, just by smelling the substance, you can know whether it is an acid or a base. Isn't it interesting? To know more of these facts, join EduLab. Thank you.